So here f of x is equal to 3x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 10, where a and b are integers. Given that f of x is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is k. So the divisor is given in this question as x minus 1. So equate the divisor to 0. Equate that x minus 1 to 0, you will get x as 1. So f of 1 should give me k. F of 1 is equal to k. It's given that the remainder is k. So f of x, we know it's given there 3x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 10. So f of 1, wherever we have x, just replace it with 1. 3 into 1 cube is 1. A into 1 square is also 1 plus b into 1 minus 10. So this is 3 plus a plus b minus 10 is equal to f of 1. We know this is equal to the remainder is k. Now, from this, we can simplify this further. We will get, when we simplify this further, we will get k is equals to a plus b minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. Now, let's just keep this as the first equation here. When f of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is minus 10k. Now here, the divisor is given as x plus 1. X plus 1, you equate it to 0, you will get x is equals to minus 1. It's given that the remainder is minus 10k. So which means that f of minus 1 is equal to minus 10k. Let me put that in a box here. Now again we know f of x. F of x is equal to 3x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 10. So f of minus 1 will be 3 into minus 1 the whole cube. A negative number to the power of odd number will be negative. So minus 1 to the power of odd will be minus 1 itself, plus a into minus 1 to the power of even is positive 1, plus b into x is minus 1 minus 10. But f of minus 1, we know the remainder is minus 10k. So instead of f of minus 1, we can write minus 10k is equal to minus 3 plus a minus b minus 10. This is minus 10k is equal to a minus b. Minus 3 minus 10 is minus 13. Now, see that k is a constant and we need to show that 11a plus 9b is equals to 83. When I look into this equation, I can see that there is no k term. So what we need to do is, we need to make the coefficient of k, this is the second equation. Let's take this as the second equation. So we need to make the coefficient of k the same and then do the simultaneous. So we know this is minus 10k. So to make the coefficient of k the same, I can just multiply this equation by, first equation by 10. So this will become 10k is equal to a into 10 is 10a, b into 10 is 10b, minus 7 into 10 is minus 70. And the second equation here, this is what, minus 10k is equal to a minus b minus 13. So let's just solve this simultaneously. We have opposite sign, 10k and minus 10k, we have opposite sign. If we have opposite sign, we can just add both the equations. 10k and minus 10k gets cancelled. 10a plus a is 11a. 10b minus b is 9b. Minus 70 minus 13 is minus 83 is equal to 0. Take this minus 83 to the left hand side. It becomes 83 is equals to 11a plus 9b. This is what we had to prove in the question. 11a plus 9b is equal to 83, and we got that. Now, for the next part here, it is mentioned that given also that 3x minus 2 is a factor of x. Factor of x means, if it's a factor of x, that means the remainder is 0. As we did for the first two, x minus 1 and x plus 1, we will do the same thing. Take the divisor 3x minus 2, equate it to 0, you will get 3x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 2 by 3. Now it's mentioned that it's a factor of x, that means the remainder is 0. So f of 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Again, let's just put this in a box here. F of x, we know it is given in the question, 3x cube plus a and b. We already got the answer. Did we get the answer for a and b? No, we didn't get the answer for a and b. So let's keep it as a and b itself. So plus ax square plus bx minus 10. Now, f of 2 by 3 is what we need to find out. So 3 into 2 by 3 the whole cube. So 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 plus a into x square. So x here is 2 by 3. So 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 plus b into x. X is 2 by 3 minus 10. And we know that f of 2 by 3, the remainder is 0. So instead of f of 2 by 3, we can take it as 0. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 9 is 27. So this becomes 8 over 9 plus 4a over 9 plus 2b over 3 minus 10. To remove the denominators, we can multiply this whole equation by 9. So 0 multiplied by 9 is 0. 8 by 9 multiplied by 9 is 8. 4a by 9 multiplied by 9 is 4a. 2b by 3 into 9, that is 2 into 9 is 18. 18 by 3 is 6. So that will be 6b minus 10 into 9 is 90. We can further simplify 8 minus 90 is minus 82. So 4a plus 6b minus 82 is equal to 0. Bring this minus 82 to the other side. It becomes 82 is equal to 4a plus 6b. Now we can see that it's all these numbers are divisible by 2. So let's just divide by 2 here. So we will get 41 is equals to 2a plus 3b. Now we need to find out the values for a and b. We have two equations. So that is 11a plus 9b is equal to 83. And then we have 2a plus 3b is equals to 41. Again, we are going to do simultaneous equation. So let's make b, coefficient of b, the same here. To make the coefficient of b the same, just multiply this equation by 3. 41 into 3 is 123. 2a into 3 is 6a. 3b into 3 is 9b. So 6a plus 9b is equals to 123. And 83 is equal to 11a plus 9b. Let's just subtract both the equations. Elimination method. Change the sign of the bottom equation. 83 will become minus 83. 11a will become minus 11a. 9b will become minus 9b. Both the 9b's gets cancelled. 11a, 6a minus 11a is minus 5a. 123 minus 83 is 40. Therefore, a will be 40 divided by minus 5, which is minus 8. We got the value for a as minus 8. Now we need the value for b. So to get the b, take any one of this equation. I'll go for the easiest one, that is 2a plus 3b is equal to 41. A is minus 8. So 2 into minus 8 is minus 16 plus 3b is equals to 41. So 3b will be 41 plus 16, which is 57. 3b is equals to 57. Therefore, b will be 57 divided by 3, which is 19. So we got the value for a and b. A is minus 8 and b is 19. Now, hence find the quadratic expression g of x such that f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 into g of x. To get g of x, f of x should be divided by 3x minus 2. That's all. So to get g of x, this is the last part, C part. To get g of x, what we have to do is f of x divided by 3x minus 2. Now we need to do the long division method. F of x is 3x cube plus a is minus 8, minus 8x square, b is 19, so 19x minus 10, we need to divide this by 3x minus 2. 3x into what will give us 3x cube? 3x into x square. So 3x into x square is 3x cube. Minus 2 into x square is minus 2x square. Let's just change the sign. 3x cube will become minus 3x cube. Minus 2x square will become positive 2x square. 3x cube minus 3x cube gets cancelled. Minus 8x square plus 2x square is minus 6x square. Bring this 19x down. 3x multiplied by what will give you minus 6x square? 3x multiplied by minus 2x. So 3x into minus 2x is minus 6x square. Minus 2 into minus 2x is positive 4x. So now let's just change the sign. Minus 6x square will become positive 6x square. Positive 4x will become minus 4x. This gets cancelled. 19 minus 4 is 15x. And bring this minus 10 down. 3 multiplied by what will give you 15x? 3x multiplied by 5. So 3x multiplied by 5 is 15x. Minus 2 multiplied by 5 is minus 10. Change the sign. This will become minus. This will become plus. Cancel them. 0. Therefore, g of x will be the quotient, that is x square minus 2x plus 5. That will be the C part. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.